In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. If your inbox is overflowing and you want to clear out a large number of emails quickly, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and fast. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your Yahoo email address, then click Next. On the next screen, type your password and click Next again to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Yahoo Mail inbox. Now, let's start cleaning up. If you only want to delete specific emails, you can click the checkbox beside each message you want to remove. But if you want to delete everything on the page at once, click the Select All icon at the top of your inbox. This will select all visible emails instantly. Once your emails are selected, look for the trash can icon located on the toolbar above your message list. Click on it, and all the selected emails will be sent to your trash folder. Keep in mind that deleted emails aren't gone for good just yet. They're automatically moved to your trash folder, where they'll stay for a certain period before being permanently deleted by Yahoo. This safety feature gives you a chance to restore any messages you might have deleted by accident. However, if your goal is to free up storage space immediately or ensure that no traces of those emails remain, you'll need to empty the trash manually. To do this, go to the trash folder on the left-hand menu. Once inside, click on Empty Trash at the top of the page. A confirmation message will appear. Simply click OK or Yes to confirm. Yahoo will then permanently remove all the emails from your account. After completing this step, your inbox will be cleaner, lighter, and easier to navigate. Regularly managing your mailbox like this helps prevent clutter, improves search speed, and keeps your email experience smooth and organized. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to successfully bulk deleted emails in Yahoo Mail, a quick and efficient way to keep your inbox clean and organized. Regularly clearing out old or unnecessary emails helps improve performance and keeps your digital workspace tidy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.